Hey, I'm Vince McFarland, and I'm up in Cape Breton for the last week of the Atlantic salmon fishing season. Water was really high when I got here, so lost a couple days on most rivers, but for the most part I've been fishing smaller coastal rivers. Not going to name names, but a couple of them have been fishing good. The rig I'm using pretty much this week is an old classic Hardy St. John 3 7/8. Great reel. I've hooked, landed a couple fish on it so far this trip. The rod is a G. Loomis native run. It's actually, I got this rod back in 2006. It was the original switch rod. I've never heard of a switch rod before that. It's an 11-foot rod for a 7-weight line. The head I got on it is an old sales rep gave this to me a long time ago. It's a Scandi short 420 grain head, and I'm using a 10-foot slow sinking 3 to 4 second sink tip. The other side of the Hardy reel. So just went through this run here. Beautiful run. I've hooked fish here before over the years and never landed one. But I just went through, nothing. But I'm going to go back through again and see how that goes. Okay, so that's the end of this trip up in Cape Breton, Atlantic salmon fishing, and the end of the 2023 season. It's a good trip. Hooked 3-4 fish, landed 2 of them. Looking forward to next year, and I'm heading back to Boston tomorrow. So yeah, if you like this vlog and like watching some of these videos, hit the like button and subscribe. It definitely helps the channel out, and more people will get to see these videos. So that's the end of this one, and looking forward to the next trip up next year, 2024.